Hey, there is a post that I just came across. Let's break it down together, guys, because where there is smoke, there is fire. You know that, right? But where there is smoke, there is fire. Hey, what's happening? So there is this post. It shows that it was posted by Duduzi Zuma. I just went to check it again and I don't see it. So, but it says that, hello, Umkhonto Wesizwe, the time for a younger deputy president has come. MK Party needs more energy as we approach 2026 elections. Gwaza Mkhondo Gwaza. What about Dr. Hlophe? There is definitely a smoke. Because remember recently, the people in Mpumalanga, they were lobbying for Duduzane Zuma to be deputy president. Now there is this. Why is there suddenly talk around deputy president? Is Dr. Hlophe stepping down? Is he leaving? I wish he leaves and he joins the EFF. And you guys are gonna come for me. God anazi nix. Indaba niziva ngam, but you are gonna come for me. I'm just saying, let's open our eyes. There is smoke somewhere. There is something going on, but I'm gonna bring it to you guys. Don't worry. I'm gonna bring it to you guys. I'm gonna get to the bottom of it and I'm gonna find it. But there is smoke. Uba uve into che. Come comment here because ziyakhala. What's happening with MK? Uyahamba Dr. Hlophe, uniyamdemoter, kwenzeka ntoni?